Step into the world of efficient and hygienic dishwashing with dishwashing cleaning gloves, a simple yet indispensable tool that transforms the way you tackle the daily chore of washing dishes. These gloves are more than just a barrier between your hands and soapy water. They are a practical and comfortable solution to make your dishwashing experience a breeze. Imagine slipping your hands into a pair of gloves that not only protect your skin from the harshness of dish soap, but also enhance your grip and control over slippery dishes. The dishwashing cleaning gloves are designed with practicality and comfort in mind, ensuring that you can tackle your dishwashing duties with ease. Let's explore the material and construction of these gloves. Crafted from durable and flexible materials, the gloves provide a snug fit that allows you to maintain full dexterity while protecting your hands. The interior is lined with a soft, comfortable material that prevents irritation, making it suitable for extended use. Now, let's talk about the practical benefits of using dishwashing cleaning gloves. The gloves serve as a barrier between your skin and the hot water and harsh detergents used during dishwashing. This not only protects your hands from drying out, but also shields them from potential irritants, making the dishwashing experience more comfortable and gentle on your skin. Consider the grip-enhancing feature of these gloves. The exterior of the gloves is designed to provide an improved grip on wet and soapy dishes. No more struggling to hold onto slippery items or risking accidental breakage. The dishwashing cleaning gloves give you the control you need to efficiently wash and handle your dishes, pots, and pans. Now, let's delve into the versatility of these gloves. They aren't limited to just dishwashing. They are a handy accessory for various cleaning tasks around the house. Whether you're scrubbing surfaces, cleaning the bathroom, or tackling other household chores, these gloves offer protection and convenience, allowing you to keep your hands dry and clean. Moreover, dishwashing cleaning gloves come in a range of sizes to ensure a comfortable fit for everyone. Whether you have petite hands or need a larger size, there's a pair of gloves that will provide the perfect fit. This attention to sizing adds an element of personalization, ensuring that your dishwashing experience is as comfortable and efficient as possible. Consider the impact on your overall kitchen routine. With dishwashing cleaning gloves, the process of washing dishes becomes more enjoyable and less of a chore. Your hands are protected, your grip is enhanced, and the whole experience becomes a smoother, more efficient task. It's a small but impactful change that adds a layer of comfort to your daily routine. Now, let's address the environmental aspect of these gloves. Unlike disposable gloves, dishwashing cleaning gloves are a reusable and eco-friendly option. By opting for a durable and long-lasting pair of gloves, you reduce your reliance on single-use plastics and contribute to a more sustainable approach to household tasks. In conclusion, dishwashing cleaning gloves are not just a practical accessory. They are a valuable addition to your kitchen and household routine. Their thoughtful design, comfortable fit, and versatile use make them a must-have for anyone seeking efficiency and comfort in their daily chores. Elevate your dishwashing experience with gloves that protect, enhance, and simplify the task at hand.